Listening to these affirmations for introverted personality types daily can empower you to build confidence and thrive in a leadership role. Relax in a comfortable position. Simply listen and repeat these affirmations regularly to train your subconscious mind for success. Repeating at this slightly faster pace is beneficial because it helps to bypass our conscious mind, override any resistance, and create a stronger imprint on the subconscious. So, let's begin. I lead with quiet strength and inspire through my actions. I am confident in my ability to lead with authenticity. I trust my instincts to guide me in making sound decisions. I am a capable and effective leader, making a positive impact. I embrace challenges as opportunities for personal and professional growth. I lead with a quiet grace, creating a supportive and inclusive team. Confidence and assertiveness are my allies in leadership. My introverted nature enhances my ability to think critically and strategically. I confidently express my ideas and opinions in team settings. Each challenge I face is an opportunity to showcase my leadership skills. My ability to listen attentively strengthens my connections with my team. I am proud of my introverted qualities and the unique perspective they bring. As an introverted leader, I make a meaningful and lasting impact on those I lead. My quieter style is becoming a source of strength and success in my career. I am becoming a more confident and influential leader every day. Each challenge I face is an opportunity for showcasing my leadership skills. I celebrate my achievements, no matter how small, as steps towards success. I am worthy of the leadership role I hold, and continue to seek excellence. Now, as you continue on with your day, know that these thoughts are with you. Subscribe for more content for the quieter personality types and have a wonderful day.